Hi everyone, and welcome to the very first snow day in 10 years. Yes, the very first snow day. The Toronto Catholic District School Board has officially closed the school. That doesn't happen very often, like I mentioned, in 10 years, if not more. Can you see all the snow? It's so beautiful. Yes, it's been a long winter, but you know what? It's just beautiful the way it's coming down. The snow is so fluffy, you can see there. Look at it. It's a winter wonderland. Now, why didn't we have this for Christmas? But anyways, it's coming down, and it looks like it'll be coming down until the end of the evening, which it'll probably turn to freezing rain, which I'm not looking forward to that, but look at it. Yes. Anyways, comment down below. Let me know what kind of weather you're having. Are you having snow? Are you having rain? Is it clear where you are? Is it warm where you are? Let me know down below. Anyways, guys, take care, stay safe, stay warm, and we'll talk very soon. Bye for now.